How to create or open OVO account online. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, launch a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, search for OVO sign up. You will see the first option that is register here to receive your OVO live account. Tap on it. When you select on it, you will see a layout like this. This is your sign up portal. Starting off, select with your title, enter your first name, last name, and your account number. After which you can continue. Then you may have to enter some of the personal as well as the residential details. Once you have followed all the steps, at the top you will see the sign in button. Just tap on it. With a single tap, you'll be reached here. To sign into your OVO Live next, just enter your email address and password. If it's your personal device, tap on Remember Me. In the case of forgotten credential, just tap on Forgotten Password. It will suggest you alternative way to log in into your account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.